Like,
You did who?
so I did environmental engineering, but like the company.
I can find an engineer.
My sister dad, he got a convertible.
All right,
I
guys.
do medical. Oh, I could go to physical therapy.
I'm not getting a chance right now. I'm gonna try. I say always my sixth bed. The best videos I have always in the sixth bed. All right. So far 2 days in a row, I got the best videos with them. I'm gonna try today if I can get it done on this one. All right. Let's go ahead.
Jeremy, did y'all turn this in yesterday?
Yes. All right.
Yeah. I'm finished.
I said you turned it in.
All right. There's a question here. This one don't require a calculator. You have to do it with that calculator. The first one, you're given a graph. I'm going to put a graph so for you to see.
Wait, which one are you doing?
I'm the number one.
This one.
Oh, we talking about this.
Yeah. All right. Amen. Can you please stop talking? All right. This type of stuff I would like for you to learn how to do. I've been doing all year long graph this way. So when you don't use calculator, all right. F of negative 2 is 12, negative 5, negative 1, 2, 8,
Excuse me.
0,
Maybe,
3,
Yeah.
yes.
the number's wrong.
The number's different than ours at the top.
Right there. It's not supposed to be a negative one, it's supposed to be a negative two. Not the single negative one, but the one right after it.
This one here,
No, keep going.
this one here,
No.
this one here,
No.
this one here,
No.
this one here.
Yes.
It's a typo, just fix it.
Oh, it's supposed to be a one?
Yes, negative 1, 1.
The
How you
next-
expect
the
us to
next
change
one
this
different
number?
too.
Yes, 1, 3. It's just a copy it. I don't change it. It's a copy and paste.
Cheating.
All right, I'm just typing, so if I'm typing it, it's just one happen mistakes on it. All right. This is what I would like for you to know. It is positive,
We fix all these numbers like
all right?
that?
Yeah.
It's negative, positive,
Yes,
negative. That's negative,
Oh.
that's positive. All right? That's positive. That's positive. That's negative 2. That's 0. That's 3. That's positive. And positive. That's 1.
Actually, that one last.
That's negative. Positive.
Yeah,
And half. Yes.
the last one should be negative.
This one here.
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna erase it.
All right.
I got it, yeah.
Positive. Positive. 2 and 7. This is what they give you. That's what they got on the table. That's what table. This is the table you got. All right, now. The question is saying what?
It's
Find the x coordinate of each relative minimum of f. All right? So if I do the table, all right, my zeros of f prime is what?
negative.
Negative 1 and what? 1. That's the zeros of f prime
We forgot negative.
So you want us to change
But it's on the interval.
on f prime.
the whole chart?
You want us to change
Okay.
the numbers?
I'm going for,
You got some numbers wrong?
Yeah, because on that list it say 8030, but I say 800.
That's error.
800.
No, because Jeremy was correcting him on that negative.
3 over 2. Yes,
Over 30.
that's right.
Yeah.
2 0 3 0 7 1/2 1 negative 2.
Yeah.
All right. When I'm talking about relative minimum maximum, I'm only talking about f prime. All right. So f prime, they say what? It is negative between -2. So that's a -2. That's f prime of x. All right, to 3. So what did they say? It is negative. So I put what? Negative. And then it's what? Negative,
Positive.
positive. So 0 here. All right. So what they say? Relative what?
Going down.
It's going down
Down, and up.
and then go up. So where x is relative minimum? So relative minimum is what? Relative minimum at x equal what? 1. All right, B now. B. B is explain why there must be a value C for f second C equals 0. Explain there must be a value C for f second. So we're going from f prime to f second. Now, when you go to the derivative, you're talking about the mean value term. So you're talking about the mean value term. You go from to the derivative, the mean value term. So the mean value term said what? F prime is differentiable, and an f prime is continuous. All right, that's given. On -1, 1, and -1, 1. F prime is it's all the way around. Continuous on first and differential next second. Is continuous on interval -1, 1, close interval. F is differentiable on the open interval 1, 1. All right. Now, when this happens, all you have to do is plug your slope. This type of question, you don't have to write anything. It's all that. So so we have what? F prime of 1 minus f prime of -1 over 1 minus -1 equal f second of C. So they exist. They exist a C on the interval -1, 1 such that f second of C, f second of C equal f prime of 1 minus prime of -1 divided by 1 minus -1. But f prime of 1 is what?
0.
F prime of -1 is
0.
divided by 2, which is
0.
0. That was easy. You did it home? Good. 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 All right.
Tell people.
C. C. Now, h of x equals ln f of x. What is h prime of x?
F prime of x over f of x.
Equal, what do you say, f prime of x over?
F of x.
Very good, excellent. So now h prime of 3 is going to be
It's gonna be 1/2.
f prime of 3 of what? F of 3?
Yeah.
F prime of 3 is what?
1/2.
F prime of 3 is 1/2 over
7.
7, which is
1/14.
very good.
When we did
I would like for you to, when you go to your seat, even if you don't just like take cap 2, you do work with me, and I give you all the tricks. Okay.
I have a question. For one, like the one you invite your own, you have to write out F's on the other side.
But if you want to transfer, it's good.
Okay. I was just wondering that because I was wondering it would.
You know what I live, so you know what I live, so if you fail a math class in engineering,
I'm gonna cut you.
I'm just gonna chop the head off. You live just next door to me. All right. He's the favorite grandson of his grandmother. So in case you don't know that, he's the favorite grandson. Oh yeah, you do. He is the joy of all the Adams. Yes. No. If you mess with him, you mess with Miss Adam, and you don't want to see the bad side of Miss Adam at all. And that lady, she is almost 80 years old and joke. Yeah, Miss Adams. Miss Adams, old-fashioned old woman. You know what I'm talking about. You know, grandma is no joke. Am I right? All right. D is -2 to 3 f prime of g of x, g prime of x. All right. If you see this one, don't panic. This is just a chain rule. The chain rule. This is what? Is what? F of g of x from -2 to 3. That's it. This is the opposite of chain rule. This is the chain rule.
I saw that.
F prime of u prime.
I saw that. I thought about it.
All right. So now all you have to do is plug it in. All right. So going to be what? F of g of 3 minus f of g of -2. Oh, g of 3 is what? 1. So going to be f of 1. What is g of -2? -1. And then f of 1 is? F of 1.
2.
F of 1 is 2. And f of -1 is?
-2.
So how much is that?
I messed up. Oh, I started thinking of it.
At least that.
Alright, that's how you do it. The key always to pay attention to the chain rule. The chain rule is f of u prime is u prime f prime of u. Alright? But the u prime is, they just put it in the front. Alright? So you say it like this. And the derivative, the integral and the derivative always cancel each other. So you got what you're looking for. This one is done. Easy. The next question is even easier. The next question is even easier.
Wait.
I'm not answering it. I'm just moving my laptop from one side of the room to another side of the room.
Copy on the chair.
My name is Brooke Njai.
In case you don't listen to teachers, but you're probably doing this for acting career.
It's okay, you can figure one time. Perfect. 4.8. You still graduate.
You got 4.0? Nobody got 4.0.
No.
It's a quarter.
The only person I have seen on 4.0 is
Wait, this quarter?
no 4.0.
Talking about like
Person
just
I see
overall.
Overall 4.0.
Unweighted.
That'd probably be Robert.
No, not Robert.
Weighted, like.
Robert got a over 4, but Robert struggled with me. Robert struggled with me. Have you ever seen somebody that struggled with me?
Yes, last year.
Who's that?
A bunch of people from
Who
last
did
year.
not struggle?
Who did not struggle? I think. Oh, yeah, what's his name? It was Jose's brother.
Huh?
Jose's brother.
Huh?
Jose's brother.
That Joe?
Joe.
Hey, yeah,
That's
he struggled with me.
He was best.
Only person I would say who didn't struggle was.
If you see no more A's in here,
By the way,
you know.
I thought you said you was gonna give me a test.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see.
So that's one thing.
All right, this what you got. All right, when you got feel like this,
We still on beat?
we done.
I'm back.
All right, now is where you have to learn. All right, do not answer the wrong. First one, all they say is what? Sketch. All right, you done a sketch the graph. Now, you see where you have the horizontal line? You see that? All right? And all you have to do, put the dot on 0, 1. They give you a point 0, 1. Put a dot on 0, 1. You have all the dot right here. Yes?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay? All you have to sketch. It's nothing wrong what you're going to do. As long as it's going by 0, 1, it's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong what you're going to do. That's it.
We can draw any line.
Any line, as long it is flat and somewhere here, I'm going by 0, 1 flat here, it's nothing wrong.
We following the lines.
You just draw a line, make sure it's flat, and
Somebody's device there is cellular is ringing.
You be high.
These don't make sense.
You said long as it's flat down.
Which one is it?
That just looks so gloomy.
Bro, it look like it's about to go down, bro. Like it's about to be a tornado, and we all gonna wake up in the woods.
all right. Now everybody see that? So when you question, it says sketch. You don't have, when you see what a sketch, all right,
Some people have a blackout like 8th grade.
they're gonna see, looking for the flat line, the horizontal line.
It's just all they're looking for.
Yes, always look for it.
Okay.
That says sketch. Did I say anything other than a sketch?
No.
They kind
So
Just
that's
sketch
cool.
the solution
I
curve.
sketch mine.
That's it. That's good.
Alright.
I don't know. It's just the.
So this is the flat line. This is the flat line. See that? It's curve changing like this. Okay, the curve is changing like this. All you have to do is connect connect them two. That's it. That's it. Make sure you go. That's it. All right. Guys, that is easy. Okay. Now it's done.
6 nights.
B. B now, write the tangent line. So if you have to write a tangent line, trick what you have to do.
Change your line, find the slope.
Find the slope. Did you find the slope? What is the slope? So dy over dx,
Equals 3.
okay, equal 3 minus y cosine x. Now the point is 0, 1, okay? So what is the slope? The slope will be 3 minus 1
Times cosine 0.
cosine 0. What is cosine 0?
1.
Cosine 0 is 1. So 2 times 1
I mean, one.
equals what? Alright, so now when you're done, so what is slope? Y equal what?
Y equals 2 times x minus 0 plus 1.
That's it.
Actually, no. You got
Huh?
approximate.
Let's say approximate. So now
You gotta plug in
approximate.
that 2,
Approximate.
0.2.
When I say yes, plug in 0.2. Approximate. So when I say approximation, so it's gonna be what?
2 times 0.2.
Y of 0.2 equal 2 times 0.2 minus 0 plus 1, which is
It's cool. I ain't mad.
Are this point or time? Times 2.
2. Parentheses 0.2.
This is cutting my
Like,
liver, bro.
cause the first one looked like 0 first.
But now I'm in school with freaking Montre and McCad and Brother Adams. I don't want to cut with them.
No big deal. Thank you.
This leaf was-
Hey.
Wait, I have a question.
yes.
Does it matter which way we graph it? If we graph it like
You have to cross 0.1.
so, if you did something like this,
Now, you see the graph will look like? It's gonna go like this. Because this is the tangent. All I have to do is Alright. Alright. Come on, guys. The most of the point in this question here, that was last year's question, the 6th point, is what? Separate.
Differentiate.
Yes. So what are we gonna do? Separate. So we got a dy
dy
over dx equal what? 3 minus y cosine x. Separate.
it's gonna be
is 1 over 3y.
Dy over 3 minus y equal
Cos
what?
x dx.
Cos the x dx.
it's C, right, sir?
That's 1 point.
Yeah.
Alright? Antiderivative. So the integral here. Come on, please. You're messing up my video. Alright? So now to find the antiderivative, it's gonna be what? Be careful now here. Huh? ln. It is of something divided by no exponential, it's always ln. ln 3 minus y. Don't forget it's a negative by the y, so it's going to be negative outside. What is antiderivative cosine?
Sine x
Plus c.
plus c.
1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 3 point right here. 3 point out of 6. Yes.
Yeah.
or 3.85. 1, 1, 1. All right? Even though you don't get this right, you got them two right, you got this 2 point. But it's easy stuff like this. Please get them right. All right? Now find the C. We can find the C from here. All we have to do is what? Plug in what? 0, 1. So it's going to be negative ln 3 minus 1 equals sine 0 plus c. Sine 0 equal what? 0. So it's going to be negative ln 2 equal what? C. So we got this one packed. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 right point right here. Now all left right now to get you 2 point left is find what is y. Solve for y. All right. Okay, now, so we got negative ln 3 minus y equal to sine of x minus ln 2. So I mean what? Ln 3 minus y equal ln 2 minus sine x. Because I multiply everything by negative to get a negative and outside of ln. So what do I have to use to get ln again?
E.
So it's going to be what? 3 minus y equal e ln. Okay, let's do that. E ln 3 minus y equal e ln 2 minus sine x. This is e and ln cancel each other. Don't worry about this one here. Just cancel this one. It's going to be 3 minus y equal e to the ln 2, all right, times e to the negative sine x. Now I can split them because there's two functions. I can split it. Okay? So it's going to be y. That's going to be 2. So it's going to be y. Negative y equal negative 3 plus 2 e to the negative sine x. All right? So I mean what? Y equal to 3 minus 2 e to the negative sine x. That's the final answer. That's 2 points. It's a little long why they put 2 points here, but the bulk of the point, this is 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. 4 points is right here. All right? I'm saying it again. Separate, integrate, an antiderivative, find a constant. All right? This is what I have for you. Oh, that was quick.
It's Friday.